chicas.
Thanks for clicking, and today I am unboxing Boxycharm. Hello, Charmer. So this is a monthly subscription of $21, and it includes 4 to 5 full-sized items. And apparently the theme for this month is Boxy and Chill. Very, very fine print because they're going into detail on this one. Included in the box for the month of January is, our first item is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, and it's a strength and moisture leave-in mask, and this retails for $16. Sadly, when I was filling out the beauty profile, it did not give an option for the bald ones. So next up, well, this is interesting. We have Tatcha, and this is a Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask, and it's a 2-pack, which retails for $24. $24 for 2. Is this really usable or something? No, it's not reusable. It's $12 a piece, $24. So I'm just gonna open this up and see what we're working with. So you're supposed to apply it and leave it on for 15 minutes. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. We got drippage here. How the hell are you supposed to know which side? I feel freaky. Ah! Peel off mask and massage remaining serum into skin. Ew. I have a massage nastiness in my skin? Oh, gross. Alright, so I'm trashing that. And then just, whoa, it's so slimy. Alright, well, we're done with the face mask. For $12 a pop, I don't know. I guess I'm a skeptic on this one. Okay, and then next I got a Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And this is a highlighting eyeshadow palette. So this is it. I really like this case. It's so pretty. Okay, and those are the colors on the inside. And it's vegan and crease free. It includes 7 micro shimmers and 1 matte nude. And this retails for $36. So this is Escape. Ooh. Treasure, Jewel, ooh, I like Jewel, Compass, okay, Raise, Malibu, Heat Wave, and then Tiki is the last one. And this is the matte, which is the transition shade. Alright, so I'm going to start out with the nude. And this is what it looks like. I can understand why they say it would be a transition shade, because it basically transitions between all these colors. So I went in with the Malibu on the outer corner. Not sure if you can see it. I am going to move into the Jewel. Malibu right at the top, Jewel in the middle, and Escape on my lower lid. And then underneath, I underlined it with Treasure. I know, I look super freaky. So moving on, we also have a black Ultra Luxe Longwear eye pencil from Starlooks.com. This way. So this is the pencil, and it's a Longwear. Oh, it's nice and sharp, and it's retractable. And this retails for $19. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And while I was using this, the tip broke. I don't know if this is worth $19. We have an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. It's actually called Havana Nights, and this retails for $20. Alright, my lips are lined. I'm going to swatch it first before I put it on, see how that goes. Oh, that's a nice red. I'm actually not mad at it. It doesn't glide on quite as smooth as the other lipsticks I've been using. Oh wow, I'm in love with this color. Holy moly, it looks so good. I'm sold on this one. Except for the eyeliner. Everything else was just like on point. Maybe the eyeshadow too. And maybe that hair thing. But yeah, the lips look great. If nothing else. So that was January's unboxing of Boxycharm. And I got $115 worth of stuff for $21. But I'm really happy with this lipstick. So if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll put a link down below. As you can see from behind me, I have a lot more bags and boxes to come. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you later. Have a good one. Cheers.